Stop memorizing difficult English words. If you really want to speak English naturally, you must learn the most common sentences people use every day. In this video, I will teach you 35 very common English sentences used in daily conversations, and I will show you when to use them, how to use them, and real-life examples. Let's start. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Daily Dose of English. If you want to sound more confident and speak English like real people do, this lesson is for you. Listen carefully, repeat after me if you want, and imagine yourself using these sentences in real life. Let's go with the first one.
How's it going? This means how are you? It's very common and very natural. When to use it? You use it when you meet someone casually, a friend, a colleague, or someone you know. Example, you see your friend at work and you say, "Hey, how's it going?" Now let's move to another sentence you will hear all the time. I'm just kidding. This sentence means you are joking, you're not serious. When to use it? After saying something funny or something that could be misunderstood. Example, you're late again. I'm just kidding. Let's continue with a very useful sentence. That makes sense. Meaning, you use this sentence when you understand something and you agree with it. When to use it? In conversations, explanations, or discussions. Example, oh, you were tired after work. That makes sense. Transition. Here's another sentence native speakers love. I'm not sure. Meaning, you don't know or you are not 100% certain. When to use it? When someone asks you a question and you don't have a clear answer. Example, are we meeting today? I'm not sure. Let's go to a sentence you can use every day. Let me think. Meaning, you need time to think. When to use it? Before answering a question. Example, what should we eat today? Let me think. Now, listen to this one carefully. It depends. Meaning, the answer is not yes or no. It changes based on the situation. When to use it? When something has conditions. Example, will you come tomorrow? It depends, if I finish work early. Here is another very polite sentence. I appreciate it. Meaning, it means thank you, but in a more polite way. When to use it? When someone helps you or does something nice. Example, thanks for your help. I really appreciate it. Let's continue. No worries. Meaning, everything is okay. There is no problem. When to use it? When someone apologizes. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. This next one is very important in conversations. Can you repeat that? Meaning, you didn't hear or understand. When to use it? When someone speaks too fast or you missed what they said. Example, can you repeat that, please? And now, the last sentence. That sounds good. Meaning, you agree with an idea or a plan. When to use it? When someone suggests something. Example, let's meet at 6. That sounds good.
To be honest, I didn't expect that. When to use it? When you want to say your true opinion and something surprised you. Example, to be honest, I didn't expect that result. And I'll get back to you on that. When to use it? When you need more time before giving an answer. Example, I'll check my schedule and get back to you on that. And that's not really my thing. When to use it? When you don't like something politely. Example, I don't enjoy horror movies. They're not really my thing. And I see what you mean, but I see it differently. When to use it. When you understand someone's opinion, but you don't fully agree. Example, I see what you mean, but I see it differently. And, it's been a long day, and I'm pretty tired. When to use it. When you want to explain your tiredness naturally. Example, I'm going to rest. It's been a long day, and I'm pretty tired.
I'm glad we talked about this. When to use it. After an important or honest conversation. Example, I'm glad we talked about this. It really helped. I don't have a clear answer yet. When to use it. When you are still thinking or waiting for information. Example, I don't have a clear answer yet, but I'll let you know. That's something I need to think about more. When to use it. When you need time before deciding. Example, that's something I need to think about more. I wasn't sure how to bring this up. When to use it. When starting a sensitive topic. Example, I wasn't sure how to bring this up, but I need to talk to you. At the end of the day, what matters most is consistency. When to use it. To conclude or give a final thought. Example, at the end of the day, what matters most is consistency.
I didn't get the chance to do it yet. When to use it. When you haven't had time to do something. I didn't get the chance to reply to your message yet. That's exactly what I was thinking. When to use it. When someone says the same idea you had. Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. I'm trying my best, but it's not easy. When to use it. When you want to express effort and difficulty. I'm learning English. I'm trying my best, but it's not easy. I don't feel like doing anything today. When to use it. When you have no motivation. It's Sunday. I don't feel like doing anything today. Let's see how things go. When to use it. When you want to wait and see the result. I applied for the job. Let's see how things go. That's not what I had in mind. When to use it. When reality doesn't match your plan. Example, that's not what I had in mind, but we can adjust. I'm doing my best to stay positive. When to use it. When things are difficult, but you keep trying. Example, work is stressful, but I'm doing my best to stay positive. I didn't realize it would take this long. When to use it. When something takes more time than expected. Example, sorry I'm late. I didn't realize it would take this long. Let's talk about it when we have more time. When to use it. When the moment is not right. Example, this is important. Let's talk about it when we have more time. I'm not in a rush. Take your time. When to use it. To show patience. Example, no pressure. I'm not in a rush. Take your time.
I was just about to say the same thing. When to use it. When someone says exactly what you were thinking. Example, I was just about to say the same thing. I don't think that's a good idea right now. When to use it. When you want to disagree politely. Example, I don't think that's a good idea right now. Maybe later. I'm not used to doing things this way. When to use it. When something feels new or uncomfortable. Example, I'm not used to waking up this early. I didn't mean it that way. When to use it. When someone misunderstands what you said. Example, sorry, I didn't mean it that way. It took me a while to understand what was going on. When to use it. When something was confusing at first. Example, at first I was confused. It took me a while to understand what was going on.